Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm showing you guys that I am a brand ambassador for another company, Airborne, that is. So a couple weeks ago, they inboxed me over on Instagram asking me to be a brand ambassador. Here I am today, finally coming to you guys with this video. So if you're new here, come on in. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for coming over to my channel. So today's video, they sent me these gummies. This video is sponsored by Airborne. All right, so these gummies were sent to me by Airborne. Yes, I am an Airborne influencer. So that just means that they sent me something to try and get you all to purchase and buy using my discounts code and my link. So you can definitely check out my link down in my description box down below. If you like what you hear, be sure to go and check it out. So being a brand ambassador is really great benefits, especially for Airborne, because I am just here to basically pump you up, show you some love, and I'm basically here to spread the word about these Airborne Elderberry gummies. So I got this. So when you go to become a brand ambassador for certain people, you guys will eventually be sent links to join a portal where you are going to be a partner at. And so that is just so that you can, keep track of your sales, your captions, grab and goes, post guidelines, FAQs, customer codes, and URLs. So this is known to be one of the #1 immunity supportive gummy brand, period. So based on sales from up until April 23rd, 2021, that is what they're sticking by. So it definitely has a blast of immune support that gives you the confidence to take on the day. When I say I take 2 of these before I leave the house every morning, because I have to be around anywhere between 10 to 20 up to however many kids a day, getting them in and out of cars. This is what I go to. I take 2 of these in the morning before work. Of course, these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So let's talk about some of the product benefits of these Airborne Elderberry gummies. These are crafted with blends of vitamin C, D, E, and zinc, and it helps to support your immune system. So they're naturally flavored, high in antioxidants, which is vitamin C and E, and it's an excellent source of vitamin D, and they also contain zinc. So they're gluten-free, gelatin-free, there's no extra artificial sweeteners, and no added color. They're tasty and easy to take. All you need is just 2 a day. So I didn't take mine this morning because I knew I was coming to show y'all all about these elderberry gummies. So a checklist for success with these gummies is, honestly, as a busy mom of 2, I'm always on the lookout for ways that I can support my immune system. And like I said, again, I work around kids. I get kids out of the car in the mornings. I get the kids to their parents in the afternoon at the walker door. And like I said, I deal with kids all day long. So I look for ways to support my immune system. And I need to be able to take on my day and do the things that I love to do, like chasing around my kids or kids at work. That's why I needed to add this into my daily routine. So these gummies have a unique crafted blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs, and they're so delicious. Plus, they're gluten-free. gelatin free, and they have no added colors and no artificial sweeteners. So be sure to check out my description box for my link, linked in my description box down below, to use my code to order yourself a bottle today. Don't have to order more than one bottle, just order one and see if you like it, and I'm telling you, you won't regret. All right, so the Airborne gives you the confidence to take on the day. It helps you to support your immune system. It also gives a unique crafty blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs, and it's more than just vitamin C. It's your daily dose of confidence. Airborne comes in easy to take formats, including gummies, Everescent tablets, and liquid shots. Airborne offers support for the whole family, including kids and adult products. So the original Airborne recipe was cooked up about 20 years ago by an ingenious teacher, because throughout the school year, she wanted to provide her immune system with proper support. From her kitchen, Airborne moved quickly from the local farmers market and beyond. So this is not my first brand ambassador program that I've been in, but definitely love being a part of it, because they will definitely reach out to you to see like, hey, are you still interested in promoting? All you have to do is put out a reel, put out a story, put out a post. Make sure you put your code in, make sure you use the URL, make sure that you're doing it correctly. And it's the easiest portal that I've ever been able to get into, period. So I'm glad that they're definitely helping me step outside of the box and helping me feel confident with the brand. So I hope that you guys check out the link in my description box down below and definitely try these. There are 25 calories in the gummies, I think per 2 gummies. It is for adults and children 4 years and older, so you guys can take 2 daily. And just make sure that you chew thoroughly before swallowing. Some of the other ingredients in this, just so that you guys know and have a feel of it, is sugar, tapioca, syrup, water, pectin, citric acid, sodium citrate, natural flavors, and maltodextrin. And so these are really great. You also can get this in lemon flavor as well. Like I said, elderberry sounded very better, because I've always heard about that growing up. And so definitely be sure to order yours today. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you guys can catch more brand ambassador videos and other videos that I have on my channel, such as grocery hauls and unboxing, cooking, baking, crafting, you name it. Just join me here on my channel. My name is C'Aira, and thanks for joining today.